Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. Have you ever thought, I don't need health insurance, I'm healthy, or insurance will cover everything at the hospital? If yes, you're not alone, but these myths can cost you. Let's break them right now. In this video, we will be talking about some important myths about health insurance which you should know so that you and your family can make informed decisions. So let's dive into right now. Myth 1. Health insurance is not required if you're healthy. Good health today doesn't guarantee you won't face any unexpected medical expenses tomorrow. Accidents, sudden illness, viral infections, or even minor surgeries can happen when you least expect. And the cost can wipe out your savings. Plus, buying insurance when you're young and healthy gives you huge advantages. Some of them are lower premium, shorter or no medical tests, waiting periods for pre-existing conditions get over while you are still healthy, coverage for future risk you cannot predict now. Myth number 2. Hospitalization is must for availing health insurance. This is a common myth that health insurance is only valid if you are hospitalized, but that is completely false. You don't always need to be admitted to a hospital to make a claim on your health plan. You get claims for daycare procedures, OPD expenses, diagnostic tests, etc. Myth 3. You get coverage as soon as you buy health insurance, while your policy becomes active once you have paid and received confirmation. Most health insurance plans have waiting periods before certain benefits kick in. Here's what that means. There's typically an initial waiting period, often about 30 days, during which you cannot make claims for most medical treatments. Some treatments or procedures have longer waiting periods, like the specific disease waiting period or the pre-existing conditions waiting period. This means you need to hold the policy for a certain amount of time before you can claim those expenses. Myth number 4. The cheapest plan is the best plan. This is one of the most common and misleading myths about health insurance. You cannot choose a health plan just by looking at the price tag, because the cheapest option doesn't always give you the coverage you actually needed. Everyone has different needs depending on their age, lifestyle, and family situation. That's why it's important to look beyond just cost and check the features, benefits, limits, and exclusions of the plan. The ideal plan should strike the right balance. It should fit your budget and provide meaningful, adequate coverage, not just be the cheapest option on paper. Myth number 5. Non-medical items like wheelchairs, gloves are usually not covered. Many people are surprised to learn that items like wheelchairs, gloves, syringes, oxygen masks, and other medical supplies are typically not covered under standard health insurance. These are called consumables and are usually billed separately by the hospital. But here's the good news. Some health insurance plans now offer an optional or inbuilt consumable covers. This add-on helps cover the cost of non-medical items during hospitalization, reducing your out-of-pocket expenses. Myth number 6. Taking health insurance online is risky. Buying health insurance online today is safe, transparent, and even beneficial as long as you're buying from trusted and official sources. Here's why it's actually a smart option. Direct purchase from the insurer's website or trusted platforms gives you complete control and transparency. You can compare multiple plans side by side, something much harder to do offline. There's less chance of miscommunication because all the details, terms, and conditions are available for you to read yourself. Many insurers offer instant policy issuance and digital documentation, so you get your policy quickly without paperwork delays. You often get access to online discounts or special offers not available offline. Next up at myth number 7. If you smoke or drink, you can't get health insurance. Not true. While health insurance promotes a healthy lifestyle and encourages people to avoid smoking and drinking, but they do not deny coverage just because of these habits. Here's what is important. Always truthfully disclose your smoking or drinking habits in the proposal form when applying. As long as you have declared it properly, your claims will be processed smoothly. There's no impact on your claim eligibility just because you drink or smoke. Myth number 8. Network hospitals are found in big cities. Most health insurance companies have extensive network hospital lists that include not just big cities but also small towns, semi-urban areas, and even rural regions. Here's what is important. Insurers are constantly expanding their network to make sure people can access cashless treatment close to home, whether you're in a metro or in a smaller town. Many insurers like Star Health even let you search network hospitals by PIN code on their website, so you can easily check nearby options. Having a wider network is a key part of making sure healthcare is accessible to everyone, everywhere, not just in major cities. Star Health has 14,000 plus network hospitals, and that includes hospitals in smaller towns and localities, not just metropolitan cities. Myth number 9. Failing to pay renewal on time will lose all benefits. While it's important to pay your health insurance renewal on time, missing the date doesn't immediately cancel all your benefits. Most insurers give you a grace period, usually around 15 days after the due date. During this grace period, you can still renew your policy without losing benefits like waiting periods, cumulative bonus, or continuity of coverage. Claims for any treatment taken during the grace period are usually not covered, but once you renew, your policy benefits continue as before. The last myth we have is employer-provided group insurance is enough. While employer-provided group insurance is a valuable benefit, it may not be enough on its own, and here's why. Number 1. Coverage limits may be low. Many group plans offer limited sum insured, often 2 to 5 lakh, which may fall short in a major medical emergency. Number 2. It ends when you leave the job. If you switch jobs, retire, or face layoffs, you instantly lose that coverage. Number 3. Limited customization. Group plans usually have fixed features, so you can't tailor coverage to your family's specific health needs. So that's all for this video, guys. Don't let myths and half-truths stop you from making smart, informed choices. Take charge of your health, secure your future, and remember, the right knowledge today can save you from big surprises tomorrow. I hope this video was fruitful for you. Hit the like button if you liked our content. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel for all things health insurance.